So this is the entire collection of the things that I have got this time in my Nykaa order. Hello everyone, नमस्ते। आज का वीडियो मेरा है about this my latest purchase from Nykaa। अगर आपको पता हो, Nykaa had recently announced its slash down cheapest rate sale, जिसमें बहुत अच्छे prices में काफी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स अवेलेबल थे। सो आई जस्ट टुक द एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग which are my regular needs and some other things also I really wanted to try out. So let's check them one by one. So to begin with, these are the M Caffeine products. First is the body butter, choco body butter and coffee body scrub. ये कॉम्बो में अवेलेबल था और इसके साथ मुझे मिला है ये कॉफ़ी हैंड क्रीम। दिस वॉज अ फ्री प्रोडक्ट विद द कॉम्बो दैट आई बॉट। ये डील था एम कैफीन का। नेक्स्ट है ये मेरा ऑल टाइम फेवरेट ब्रांड, पहले भी आपने देखा होगा मेरे नायका हॉल में, खादी नेचुरल। I buy all my skincare stuff from Khadi Naturals because the products are really trustworthy. So many different variants of soaps I got because they were available at amazing prices. So I think I got my soaps for next at least 6 months stocked. So these are the Khadi Natural soaps. I've got around 8 to 10 variants. And then this is the Khadi Natural Face Scrub. Now this I have got for the first time. This is Rose and Papaya Face Scrub. So I'll be trying. And I'm sure these must be good just like other products of Khadi Natural. And this is Herbal Foot Crack Cream. So yes, my skin is really dry and I wanted to try this for my cracked heels. Now this was again deal from Lakme, Iconic Kajal. It was a combo of 2 kajals for 310, but I'm sure I have not bought this at this price. There was some discount on this. What I will do, I will mention all the prices on the screen so that you get a fair idea about it. Now the discount is over, the sale is over, but Nykaa keeps announcing such sales very frequently, so just keep an eye. This is again the next product from Khadi only. This is the Herbal Cleansing Milk and this is some shampoo, I guess. Yeah, no, this is a face scrub. Aloe vera face scrub. So as I told you, I have ordered many things for the first time to just give them a try. Yeah. Now this is a very well-known brand and I had read really good reviews about this Herbal Essence products. These are skincare products. I've got this shampoo and conditioner with argan oil of Morocco. This also I'll be using for the first time, but the reviews were really great. So based on those reviews, I have bought this. Oh, one more Khadi Natural left. Then yeah, 2 more things. These are again shampoos. One is this hair cleanser, green apple plus conditioner, and this is the henna and tulsi extra conditioning hair cleanser again. So now since the time I have started using Khadi Natural products, especially for hair care, like these shampoos, so they are paraben free, so extremely gentle on your hair and don't make them frizzy. Well, last but not the least, one from my favorite brand again, a Color Bar nail polish. So this is the entire collection of the things that I have got this time in my Nykaa order. I will be mentioning the prices of all these products on the screen as well as the buying links in the description box. Do let me know your feedback in the comments if you like this video or if you have used any of these products, how is your experience? Till then, bye-bye.